Welcome children, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So children, moving to our next topic, multiplication of fractions. In our last session, we have seen how to add and how to subtract fraction. Now we are going to see how to multiply fractions. Multiplying fractions is very easy. There are only few steps you have to follow. The first step is you can multiply the numerator of the fractions. You can multiply denominators, and whatever fraction you will get, you can reduce it or you can simplify it to get a standard form of the fraction. Children, you can see here, there are some examples you can see here. In this example, here you need to multiply 2 by 3 with 5 by 7. So just I have simply multiply here numerators, that is 2 5s are 10, multiply the denominators, 3 7s are 21, and the required fraction is after multiplication 10 upon 21, and 10 upon 21 is already reduced form. In this example, 4 by 5 you have to multiply with 1 upon 7, 4 1s are 4 and 5 7s are 35, and 4 by 35 you cannot again reduce it. This is your final multiplication. In this example, you are going to multiply 1 1s are 1, 3 3s are 9, 1 upon 9 is the product of these two fractions. In the another example, you are having 2 upon 3 multiply with 5 by 1. So numerators multiplication give 2 5s are 10 and 3 1s are 3. In this example, you can see here, you are having 6 by 5 into 4 upon 10. 6 4s you can get here 24 and 5 10s are 50. You can reduce this. You can go with the 2's table. If you go with the 2's table, you go in 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 24, 12 2s are, and here 2 2s are and 2 5s are. So with the 2's table you can do it. This is a reduced form of this fraction. Here you can see in this example 3 5s are 15, numerators product, and 12 4s are 48. Again you can also reduce it with 3's table. Moving to the next example. In this example, now you are having 3 fractions you need to multiply. These 3 fractions here you can simplify, like here I have divided this 2 with this 22, so I got 11, 2 11s are, and this 3, first you are going to multiply 3 4s are 12, you can cut 12 12, otherwise you can say 4 3s are 12 and then the 3 3. The final answer is 8 upon 12. That is a simplified form of this multiplication of fractions. Moving to the next example, you need to multiply these two fractions 12 upon 6 into 7 upon 2. So you can cut here 2 1s are 2 and this is 2 6 are 12, and then you can cut this 6 and 6, and then final answer you will get 7, and 7 is nothing but 7 upon 1, that is only 7. Moving to the another example, you are having 2 upon 5, and this is what we know, that this is your mixed fractions. So first you have to convert mixed fraction into improper one. 12 1s are 12, and then you can get 3 add in that, 15 upon 12. So here 2 ones are 2 at this stage, and 2 6 are 12, and then 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So 3 upon 6 you get, and then at this stage 3 upon 6 again you can write as a 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is its equivalent fraction. Moving to the another example. Here you need to multiply two mixed fractions. So first we know that we have to convert a mixed fraction into improper one. 4 ones are 4, and then plus 3, that is this one, 7 upon 4, and then this fraction you need to convert it like this, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 5 upon 2. And now at this stage you need to just multiply numerators. 7 5s are 35, 4 2s are 8, and 35 upon 8 is just nothing but the improper fraction. Improper fraction is the fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator. So you can write it, you need to divide it into a mixed one by writing in the format of mixed one, like 8 4s are 32. We'll divide the numerator by the denominator. 8 4s are 32, 3 left, so we'll write 3 whole upon 8, 4 integer 3 upon 8. So these are very simple and basic way to multiply the fractions. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.